how to use the suffix te samay. To use the suffix te samay, it should be followed after a verb root. Example, while eating. To eat is khana. The verb root is kha. So when we add the suffix the samay after kha verb root, it becomes khate samay and it means while eating. Another example, while cooking. To cook is pakana and the verb root is paka. So when we add the suffix te samay, it becomes pakate samay and it means while cooking. Another example, while working. To work is kaam karna. The verb root is kaam kar. When we add the suffix the samay to kaam kar, it becomes kaam karte samay and it means while working. Let's see these phrases in sentences. Example 1. खाते समय वह टीवी देखता है. While eating, he watches TV. Example 2. खाना पकाते समय माँ गाने सुनती हैं. While cooking, mother listens to songs. Example 3. काम करते समय वह किसी से नहीं बोलती. While working, she doesn't talk to anyone.